What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a really special video. I am gonna be reviewing the iPhone 13. The f is it? Oh, that's right. I'm gonna be giving it away to one lucky subscriber once we hit 1,000 subs. So make sure you're subscribed if you're not already. So let's go ahead and get right into the unboxing of this iPhone 13 Pro Sierra Blue. So the first thing that comes in this case, as we remove the lid, is we see the iPhone itself right here. Has 3 cameras, a flash, and not sure what the fourth thing is. So on the iPhone 13 Pro there are 3 cameras, the normal, the macro, and the telephoto. The iPhone 13 Pro comes with really sick wallpapers, as you can see, and also the notch on the top. As per requested, Apple has listened out to our cries for help on the iPhone 12, 11, and X. They have taken the size of the notch right here down incrementally to give you a bigger and wider screen. Also, the borders on the edge are smaller as well, and it's just more of a square shape in general. We got some Apple stickers in case you want to deck out your all new iPhone. So right here we have the iPhone X, and we're doing a quick comparison versus the iPhone 13 with a CPU benchmark, and we have the results right here.
But wait!
Guys, in the middle of filming this video, we discovered something really exciting that Apple might be hiding from us. So make sure you're subscribed for the video on that topic when we come out for it. Guys, we were not expecting this at all.
Oh, what the f***? Wait, there's no way. Oh, Brett.
Oh. Oh, it's...
Oh, Jim.
Okay, back to the video. So we just ran a Geekbench test, and we scored a 1400, and I'm going to be comparing that to some of the previous tests ran on different devices. So on the iPad Pro, it scored an 1100. On the iPhone 12, a 9000. iPhone 12 Pro Max, 9200. Just to give you guys a rough estimate on what that means, the iPhone 13 scored a 1400, and the iPhone 8, which is right here, scored a 3000. So, as you can tell, Apple has been making their computers faster and faster inside their phones, and if you're considering buying the iPhone 13, for the power and use of its computer capabilities, definitely go for it, because it is way more powerful than the iPhone 8. Higher speeds, higher data, everything that you want in an iPhone. So thanks for watching, guys. Before we end the video, remember, we're doing a giveaway with this phone right here. So if you want to get rid of your old phone and you want a new upgrade on the iPhone 13 Pro Sierra Blue, go for it. Once we hit 1,000 subscribers, I promise you, 1 subscriber is gonna get this phone. So make sure you're subscribed.
Guys, share this video with 5 friends right now if you want to increase your chances of winning this iPhone 13 Pro, guys.
For every share and like on this video, you will be entered in the raffle one more time. So share it with 1,000 people, you'll have 1,000 entries. Go for it! Subscribe!
She make it clap. I got the strap. 21 gets. Feel like I'm sad.
Okay, apparently it's 32 seconds. 33. Oh, that's the time going. Oh, not that. That's crazy.
So let's get into the unboxing of this iPhone Pro.
Jim Real needs a helicopter right now.